We only have a population of about 18,000 people, and we have about 1,000 kids playing soccer.
Obviously the outdoor aspect of it, Squamish, one of the best places to do it. Health-wise, obviously, Squamish is quite a health-focused environment.
What makes me excited about soccer is watching all these kids that are out here behind me having fun.
You have so many kids that want to get involved in the game of soccer because you don't have to be a certain size or at a certain level to play the game. It's a game that's there for everyone.
We're a very young community. We're passionate about where we live. We have a lot of young kids that want to be playing sports that can't afford to play sports. We do everything we can to provide those facilities for them.
A lot of the outdoor activities are individual sports, and soccer is such a core sport for these children to learn how to work as a team, to be physically active. It's an affordable sport for kids to get into.
Having an organization that's as organized as this, and the kids all have a great time, it's a plus, win-win for everyone.
Yeah, my role with Squamish Youth Soccer is currently the head coach for the club, and so I'm looking after the development of about 1,000 players and coaches as well.
The first men's team in Squamish in 1962.
And where are you in that photo?
Right there.
I love the fact that our kids can play in such a wonderful environment. All the coaches are fantastic and the players are great.
Does she play soccer?
Yeah, she sure does. My name is Byron Jackson. I'm from Squamish.
I like the running. My name's Bianca, and I'm from Squamish.
My name is Nolan, and I am from Squamish.
Passing to my friends. Scoring. Why wouldn't you play soccer? Everything about it is just the best. I am going to bring you to the soccer field. You don't have to play. I'm just going to let you watch me. And if you want to play, come onto the field. And I'm going to let you play for a little bit. You have to play.